Welcome back to Tech Space by MAQ Computers. Today we are exploring the transformative power of AI in e-commerce. From personalized shopping experience to efficient inventory management, AI is reshaping the way we do business online. Artificial intelligence or AI is a broad field that includes machine learning, data analytics, and automation. In e-commerce, AI can help you understand customer behavior, predict trends, and automate routine tasks. Imagine being able to anticipate what your customers want before they even know it themselves. That is the power of AI. One of the most impactful use of AI is personalization. AI algorithms analyze customer data to provide personalized product recommendations, tailored marketing messages, and customized shopping experiences. This not only enhances customer satisfaction but also boosts sales. For instance, AI can suggest complementary products or remind customers of items left in their carts, making the shopping experience smoother and more engaging. AI can also optimize your inventory management. Predictive analytic tools forecast demand based on past sales data, trends, and even external factors like seasonality or market shift. This helps you maintain optimal stock levels and reduce issues like overstocking or running out of stock. By using AI, you can ensure your customers always find what they are looking for while minimizing costs associated with excess inventory. AI-powered chatbots are revolutionizing customer supports by opening 24/7, handling common queries, processing returning, and even making product recommendations. These chatbots use natural languages processing to understand customer needs and respond in real time, improving customer satisfaction while freeing up your team to focus on more complex issues. AI can elevate your marketing efforts by analyzing customer data to identify trends and preferences. This allows you to create highly targeted campaigns that resonate with your audience, leading to higher conversion rates and increased sales. Imagine knowing exactly which product to promote during peak times or tailoring ads to individual preferences. AI makes this possible by turning data into actionable insights. Let's look at some real-world examples. Companies like Amazon and Alibaba use AI to personalize shopping experiences, optimize logistics, and improve customer service. These strategies have been crucial to their growth and success. For instance, Amazon recommendation engine accounts for a significant portion of their sales by suggesting products based on browsing history and purchase patterns. AI is a game changer for e-commerce, offering tools and strategies that can enhance every aspect of your business, from improving customer experience to optimizing inventory and boosting your marketing efforts. AI has something to offer every stage of your business journey. Start small, test different AI tools, and see what works best for your store. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe our channel for more tips and tutorials on leveraging technology to grow your business. And if you're ready to integrate AI into your e-commerce strategy, click the link in the description to schedule free consultation with us. See you in the next video.